Hello and welcome, and thank you ever so much to everyone that watched the last video about my 3 Series Scania. We're going to go on a night out tonight. Bloody horrible weather. Do you know what? It's been nice all day. The minute I come out to the lorry, it decides it's going to rain. Have to get rid of that. Some people like truck stops, but me, I prefer a nice quiet industrial estate somewhere, so we're going to go and have a nice little mooch about. There's a couple of things I need to do first, and then we're going to get parked up for the night. Oh, there she goes. We need to get some fuel. Now this is probably the most painful part of owning a lorry, putting fuel in it. We do about 9 miles to the gallon. Oh yes, because of the time of night it's probably going to be quite busy. So, but the good thing about this lorry, because it's so small, I can fit it on the car pumps. So if there's a car pump free, then I'm just going to go in there. We normally get a few dodgy looks, but you know, I don't really care. To that. Ah, there we go, we got diesel. Right, we're fueled, so that's good. I don't like brimming it when I'm parking out, just in case the old fuel fairies come for a little visit, so. Doug is a 1989 93M tractor unit, 280 horsepower, 10-speed manual with a 5/5 gear stick. There's nothing sort of major. There's no big touchscreen display. It's not got a DAB radio. In fact, we've actually got a cassette player up the top here, next to the CB. But everything about it is simple. There's nothing in here that's technical, could go wrong. The dash is so well laid out. Look at that, look how brilliant that is. I love that curve that it's got, you know, and everything's there. You know, from where I'm sat I can reach every single control right over here, right the way to the controls over here. Tacho's there, so on a Friday you can pull the disc out and fling it out the window. But as you can see, the bed is what it is. It's a bed. It's not luxury, but what it is functional. Now, what do I really like about this lorry? This. Brilliant, isn't it? Here's a little something that the younger generation might not know about. What is this little flap? What is it? Is it a pocket? This is an ashtray. There's something about old lorries like this that I love. You know, they've just got personality. They've just got a certain personality that you don't get from modern lorries, and that's what I love. It's just nostalgia. So there we go then. That's me parked for the night. You get a bit of activity, you get a couple of vans flying up and down, but once the evening sort of comes, that'll all stop and we'll have a nice quiet night. The takeaway that I normally go to on a night is shut, so here we are. We've just had it delivered, Uber Eats, straight to the cab. I went to get out and he was like, no, he actually came, he's like, I give it to you in the lorries. Oh, okay, all right, okay, don't argue that. So
managed to flee on foot into a neighborhood. Little did he know his every move.
people think nights out are uncomfortable, but honestly, I quite like this bit. It's simple, you know, you've done your driving for the day, you've parked up, and that's it. I'm in a 37-year-old Scania and it just feels like home. I don't know, it's simple, you know, there's nothing fancy about it, you know. The dashboard doesn't keep lighting up like these mod trucks do. It's brilliant. So oh, it's a struggle. You sort of have to juggle everything round. Obviously there's no lockers or anything. The storage under the bed is great, but you can't get to the storage under the bed when you're sat on the bed, so you have to sort of position yourself in the middle bit. What a night though, I tell you what, that I've not slept that well in a long time. It's just so cozy, you know. I like the fact that the cab is so small and you almost feel sort of like it's hugging you all night, you know. It's nice. So we've had a nice quiet night. I've not had my diesel nicked. So yeah, I'm gonna, nothing coming. I'm gonna go and get me myself a can of Red Bull to wake me up, and then I'm gonna take a leisurely stroll back to the yard and park old dog up for the weekend. And so, busy down here this morning.